Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make a rugged rosary. Start by choosing sturdy beads and a durable cord, then measure and cut cord to your desired length, leaving extra for knots. Lay out beads in groups and plan spacer beads. Use strong knots and a protective fuse or glue at ends. Add a durable crucifix or pendant and test the cord's strength before regular use and carry gently. Gather materials: durable cord, 59 beads, 5 spacer beads, a sturdy crucifix or pendant, scissors, lighter or glue, and a ruler. Choose cord thicker than typical jewelry for strength and abrasion resistance. Pre-test knot styles and bead holes for fit. Lay out beads in decades and mark positions. Work slowly, tightening each knot and trimming excess cord neatly. Finish with a protective tip and inspect every knot before use carefully. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support future guides. Quick recommendation: go darn tough for socks with a lifetime warranty. They hold up to rugged use and long treks and feel surprisingly comfortable. I use them when working on outdoor craft projects and they reduce blisters. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Start by threading the main beads in order, leaving space for spacer beads and the crucifix. Tie secure surgeon's knots at decade intervals, pulling tight and flattening each knot. Add glue or melt cord tips for security, then attach the crucifix with a reinforced loop. Trim excess cord and lightly burn or seal ends to prevent fray. Test the finished rosary by applying gentle tension to all knots and beads.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.